Hey everyone, welcome back to Sports Render. It's July 18th, and today's update from Spotify Camp Nou comes with major developments and a new twist. Forget August 10. The Joan Gamper Trophy will no longer be held here. Instead, all signs now point to September 14th as the real comeback date. That gives us just under 2 months, and the pace is picking up fast. We're down to the last 7 trusses on the stadium roof. That's right after nearly a year of watching these steel giants rise into place. The final pieces are now on site and ready to be lifted. Just a few remaining pillars and beams are needed to complete the roof structure. Once done, we'll see the focus shift to slabs, panels, and cladding. Also spotted, new brackets being hoisted for the 3rd level cantilever, a sign that the upper structure is entering its final configuration. Big progress across the Tribuna and Gol Norte corners. We've seen glass panels arriving by truck, prefabricated steps delivered for VIP areas, blocks and drywall panels being installed in key sectors, toilet areas getting their final doors. It's not just structure, it's now about sealing up walls and preparing public zones. Deep underground, work on the 2nd parking level continues, with concrete slabs being poured and new formwork installed. We saw crews laying Ferrala reinforcement mesh at lightning speed. Some platforms were prepared just days ago, and now they're ready for concreting. Also, New Jersey barriers are being positioned to define circulation paths for fans and staff. What really stands out today is the sheer number of workers on site. Dozens of elevated platforms, scaffolding crews, and concrete teams are spread across every zone, especially corners and internal corridors. In many areas, protective netting, railing installations, and internal finishes are being applied. Even the area above the store is seeing new panels fitted, and unfinished sections are finally getting attention. Let's talk about that new date, September 14 or 15. It's now the expected return for Barca's first home match in La Liga, Matchday 4. Is that realistic? With the current pace and focus, yes. But delays are no longer an option. The club must be ready not just for La Liga, but for the Champions League group stage, kicking off around September 17-18. So here's where we are. 7 trusses left. Glass, slabs, blocks, and toilet doors going in. Underground parking progressing. Brackets, platforms, and finishes intensifying. We're in the final stretch of the structural phase and entering the emotional countdown to Camp Nou's comeback. So, what do you think? Will Camp Nou be ready for Matchday 4? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, and make sure to subscribe to Sports Render. Thanks for watching.